Hi, it's your host, Pidgin English coach MK Oswa. I got another word for you today. How you there? Hmm? How about it? Alright, so today we'll talk about something, another popular Pidgin English phrase. Long thing. Long thing is a phrase that was popularized by Nigerian musician D'banj from one of his songs. So what does long thing mean? Long thing means long process, stressful process. So if somebody says that you should do something and it's going to take you a lot of time, energy, and money, you can say, "Na long thing with that," or "That's a long thing. It's going to be too stressful." All right. So somebody says, "Get to the bank and go and withdraw money for me." You could tell the person, "Nah, na long thing with that. I will do a transfer or send me the money by transfer back. That's not a long thing. I don't get that kind of time. So that could be I don't have that time. It's a long process. It's too stressful. So now long thing means that's a stressful process. That is too stressful for me. That is not something I love to do because it's too stressful. All right. So that's another popular Pidgin English phrase you can use. All right. I hope that helped. Now don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the links in the description box. Get on my email list. I send useful tips on how to pick pigeon. Click on the link that leads to the Pidgin English course. A to Z videos teaching you how to speak Pidgin English properly and everything alright. Okay, I don't finish, eh? Okay, go in. They will. Take care of yourself. No find trouble. They hear me. Bye bye.